Welcome students. Now we will move to 11th question of exercise 7.2. All of you read the question. The ratio of speeds of two trains 7:9. If the faster train covers a distance of 630 km in 14 hours, find the time taken by the other train to cover the same distance. Okay, so ratio of the speeds are given, and here you can see this 630 km, same for both. Okay, so while forming the proportion, we will take these hours only, because we have to find out hour here, isn't it? So hour of the other train, how much time is taken by the other train, that we will choose as x. Okay, so the ratio of the speeds of two trains is given as 7:9. The distance covered by the faster train 630 km in 14 hours. Okay, so next train also the distance is same, so only this 14 hours we needed. Okay, so how we can form the proportion? 7:9 is proportional to 14 is to x. Now product of means is equal to product of extreme. That means 7x is equal to 9 into 14. So x is equal to 9 into 14 divided by 7 will come. So x is equal to 18 hours. Now we are moving to 12th question. All of you read that question. The ratio of storybooks to other books in a library is 2:7. If the total number of storybooks is 400, then find the total number of books in the library. So 12th question. Ratio of the storybooks to other books 2:7 is given. Total number of storybooks is given as 400. So total number of other books that you choose as x. So the proportion will be 2:7 is proportional to 400 is to x. Now product of means is equal to product of extremes. So you will get 2x is equal to 7 into 400. So x is equal to 7 into 400 divided by 2. So the number of other books you will get 1400. Now they ask us to find out the total number of books. How to find out the total number of books? Number of story books plus number of other books. Find out the sum. Okay, so you will get that as 400 plus 1400, you will get that as 1800. Okay, now we are moving to 13th question. The ratio of the length of a field of ratio of the length of the field to its width is 5:3. Find its length if the width is 36 meter. So how we can find out that one? 13th one. Ratio of the length to the width is given 5:3. Okay, width 36 meter is given. Length we don't know, that we have to choose as x, isn't it? Length is not given now in the question. 13th one. Find its length. Length is not given, so that we have to choose as x. Okay, now how the proportion will come? 5:3 is proportional to x is to 36. Okay, so here why we choose this x over here? Because you look into the ratio of length to width. Okay, so first length, so like that itself here you have to. Okay, again we have to apply product of means is equal to product of extreme. So 3x will be equal to 5 into 36. So value of x will be 5 into 36 divided by 3 will come. So the value of x you will get as 60 meter. Hope it is clear. All of you do that in your notes. Next, 14th question. The ratio of the income of a person to his expenditure is 8:7. Okay, if his expenditure in 1 year is rupees 1,26,000, then what is his monthly income? So here ratio of income to expenditure is given as 8:7. Then expenditure in 1 year is given. Okay, so what we are able to find out here? Income of 1 year, that you find out first. Okay, if you got the income of 1 year, how you can find out the monthly income? In 1 year 12 months are there, so divide by 12. Okay, so ratio is given as 8:7. Expenditure to 1 year 1,26,000. So let x be the income for 1 year that you choose. Okay, so how the proportion will come? 8:7 is proportional to x is to 1,26,000. Here why the x in the beginning? Why we write here ratio of income to expenditure is given. So first income. Okay, x is the income for 1 year, so that x we have to write first. Okay, then product of means is equal to product of extreme. 7x is equal to 1,26,000 multiplied by 8 will get. So from that solve for x. So you will get 1,26,000 multiplied by 8 divided by 7. So you will get 1,44,000 rupees for 1 year. That is the income for 1 year. We have to find out monthly income, isn't it? So what to do? That yearly income divided by 12, because in 1 year 12 months are there. So how much you will get? Rupees 12,000. Now we are moving to 15th question. The length and breadth of a rectangle are in the ratio 4:3. If its length is 60 centimeter, find its breadth. Okay, so here 15th one. Ratio of the length and breadth is given as 4:3. Length is given 60 centimeter, breadth is given not given, we are choosing that as x. Okay, so here second one, length, ratio of length and breadth. First length, second only breadth. Here breadth we choose x, so second only we need to write that x. So proportion will be 4:3 is proportional to 60 is to x. So 4x will be is equal to 3 into 60. So what will be the value of x? 3 into 60 divided by 4. So x is equal to 45 centimeter. That means breadth is equal to 45 centimeter. All of you do all these questions in your notebook.